Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. We're taking a quick look here at Cardano. It's a request from one of my community members, but honestly, one of those coins I like to cover frequently. Apologize that it's been a couple of days. Honestly, weekends lately have been a little crazy. I'm covering just some of the more, I wouldn't say important coins, but highly requested coins first. And during the weekday, we can cover these things here. But I'll be free and clear by the first of the year. I just got a lot going on the weekends remaining in this month here of December. So let's take a quick look here at Cardano, see what's going on. We can jump into the backend data first and just kind of help understand where we're at. And quick congrats too while that's loading here. I want to say we got a lot of new members. Super awesome to hear that the ICP trade's been working out really well for you. We hit all targets, 96% in roughly a day and a half. Those are only 5x leverage trades, but super safe, right? 53%, 1.5 days for AVAX. SHIB, 121%. That was an older swing trade, but a new swing trade, 62% in 8 days. We also just took storage short in 1 hour, roughly 20%. As you can see here, we had multiple entry targets, multiple profit targets, and we are in a 7x leverage short. So again, just something along the lines there so you can kind of see how we do things there. And again, just to clarify, if you're part of my Plus group, there are two channels: Premium, day trades. Plus is my day trades. Premium is my swing trades. I send out the trades myself through the Premium group, and the Premium Plus is an automated day trading bot that I created based on my day trading strategy. Okay, again, check that out in your own time, and just make sure you're linking all of your accounts together with your current community member. So let's talk about the positive here. First of all, price is descending. We'll jump into the liquidation here in a minute, but I just want to let you know the price has been descending until this last candle, essentially creating lower lows and lower highs until roughly 4 hours ago or less. Basically, when Bitcoin decided to stop being so depressant and became manic, and it's back up again. Okay, it jumped up over 1,000 in maybe about 15 minutes. All right, so again, Bitcoin doing its thing, normal stuff, right? So Cardano following suit for the moment, but let's look at liquidation and see if that tells us anything. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. In this case here, the Cardano chart's always a little funky, just because, again, this is the Binance exchange. I'm not sure if it's just reads a little different than others, but we can always see unique levels of liquidation. So just to clarify, right there at about 54 cents, we've got a liquidation level for a lot of longs. It's not a heavy concentration, but more of a recent one. We got some older shorts, of course, in profit and or still open within the last week, upwards about 66 to 68 cents. So that could reflect on the charts, but generally speaking, the price is more likely to increase towards this group here than decrease, because of the simple fact that we are closer to liquidation, and a lot of times the price will continue in that same direction until it sweeps all of it. Again, here's that 68 cent mark. We can see that up here. And again, the lower levels that we indicated between 54 and 53. Okay. So all those levels there, just some back-end stuff to help understand generally what could happen. Because again, liquidation, it's not a guarantee, but when there's heavy concentrations, the whales just, it's like, they're just going right for that primo liquidation level, so they can manipulate the market how they see fit. Really, just a bottom line. It wouldn't be nice to have billions of dollars to be able to just have some fun like that. I don't know. Maybe it actually probably wouldn't, because I'd feel bad at the end of the day that I'm ruining people's lives. I don't know. That's just me. All right. So day time frame here. Let's go ahead and see what's going on. I haven't looked at this in a few days, so just kind of clarify. Got a large fair value gap down there as low as 46 cents. I think that's unlikely for the moment, but still a possibility, considering we've wicked down to this range in the fair value gap roughly twice in the last week. So anything could happen. We're not super secure in this 60 cent range or higher, 55 cents or higher. That is a support level that's held itself fairly well over 3 different trading days, but I still don't like it. What I'm getting at here is we're above the 20-day SMA. The trend is our friend, right? We got to presume the price will continue higher. We're in a good situation right now. It's not a bad scenario. That said, though, we can also see the oscillators telling us that the momentum has shifted. Not necessarily bearish, but just it's shifting down a little bit. Okay. And again, when we're below 70, above 50, that's still considered bullish, so we're just fine. We got a MACD divergence on the horizon, so another few days we might see that diverge, which could spell future continuation to the downside. It's not always a guarantee. Cryptocurrency lately has been just kind of nullifying the MACD and its convergence divergences. Honestly, stochastic RSI is probably a better tell for us, and usually you can see that here on the 4-hour time frame, which we do see a significant swing. But this traditional situation here where the RSI is getting close to 30, money flow index is lower, and the price continues higher from there. It's very common, basically just telling us that the last 72 hours, price action has been bearish, and that everyone sees this as a good value now. So they're going to buy in, especially when Bitcoin starts to pump. So again, there's a combination of factors coming into play here, but we did hit a 9 on TD sequential into that support level there, roughly at 57 cents. It didn't hold for about 8 hours, and the price is back on track, or back on top. So simply put, we're not above the 20 or the 50-day SMA, and we are kind of in that range of volume. So we kind of got a lot of support and resistances at this exact spot, and I don't love that. I don't like trading into situations like that. However, if the hourly tells us something different, it may be worth noting that we have confirming factors for a potential long position. Again, a lot of things we've seen here so far are somewhat conflicting, and I do not like conflicting information on multiple time frames. It's just, I don't know, it's that weird feeling you get when you walk into a room, everyone's staring at you, and you're not sure what's going on. Kind of find out you got stuff on your face. Like, it's one of those situations. I don't think that correlates, but you get the gist. Let's go ahead and talk about Ichimoku Cloud here. Okay, so we're getting close. A lot of coins, again, are doing the same thing here because, again, they're retracing with Bitcoin. They're pulling back concurrent with the cloud and this descending trend that is establishing itself because of the the lower lows, lower highs. Bitcoin literally sold off 3 days in a row, and today, big surprise, we got a green day, 4th green day, right? Again, things happen in threes. That said here, we've been continuing down for roughly 72 hours, and now we can see the price recovering with Bitcoin, where we have the lagging span above the baseline. Lagging span is free and clear of price action, or soon to be. The conversion lines above the baseline, those are 2 bullish signs, and the third sign that we're waiting on here is just confirmation above this level here. So if we can close today's candlestick, well, that's actually 30 minutes. Let's say if we can close another couple of 4-hour candles at or above 60 cents, then we have a consideration to take a long position. I still think it's a little premature because the cloud has a tendency to just push the price down. So it's so common for the price to be like, oops, just kidding. So I still think we're a little premature, but we're getting close. So hourly time frame looks good. 4-hour time frame is sort of bottoming out, trying to bounce. A lot of this hinges on Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin going to be an idiot tomorrow and just drop down to 40,000? I literally thought we were going to see that today. Didn't happen. Okay. Again, Bitcoin can make you out to look like you're a complete brand new trader. But the truth is, it has a way of working things out in the long run. So I do still think Bitcoin is in a situation now where we could still see a bit of a pullback to retest that 40,000, sweep that lower liquidity at 40.5, and effectively move back up. However, leading into that, these coins will be shifted along with it. So just be mindful if you're taking a trade here with this coin that a lot of that stuff factors in. But right now, I don't feel like this is a confirming factor completely with everything we've seen here so far. I would recommend waiting a little bit longer to be safe. Again, you could wait, price goes up, we miss our opportunity. So what? You'll find another one tomorrow. You can literally throw a dart at a chart board, if there is such a thing, and find opportunities. Literally, it's very easy to find opportunities nowadays. So try not to get too stuck on attaching yourself to one coin. It's just not the way it works. All right, folks. Again, you want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site. Make sure you utilize this exchange. We have a significant benefit reward. I believe this will expire at the end of the year. $5,500 in benefit rewards if you use Bitunix. Use my link, of course. And the key takeaway here is there are no KYC, no VPN requirements, and they have phenomenal exchange with, trailing stop losses, you can move or set multiple profit targets. Just some really cool things that most traders should be trading with that other exchanges don't offer. So again, thanks Bitunix, appreciate you. We'll see you all in the next video. Have a great rest of the day. Don't forget to like the video. Thanks again. Take care.